Hi there, students. Euphoria, a noun, an uncountable noun. Euphoric would be the adjective, and euphorically the adverb. Okay, euphoria is a state of great happiness where you feel really, really good. It's extreme happiness, perhaps more than could be reasonably expected in a situation. So, I was in a euphoric state for several days after passing all of my exams. Okay, so euphoria, a state of euphoria. Being intensely pleased and excited, yeah, and intense feelings of well-being and happiness. Let's see, I think probably romantic love can give you euphoria, or perhaps aerobic exercises or laughter or various other things as well. Also, certainly, various drugs can leave you in a euphoric state. They can give you euphoria, which is why people use drugs recreationally. Okay, so euphoria, to be in a euphoric state, to be really intensely happy, to be excited, yeah. So he was in a state of euphoria after winning the gold medal. Okay, so euphoria, euphoric, you feel really, really good about it. And it's an exaggerated state of happiness with maybe no real foundation, with no real truth behind it. Let's see, that's the definition of a psychiatrist. I think we would say he was euphoric. We would use that to mean he's very, very, very happy. Notice the opposite of euphoria is dysphoria. Yeah, so when you're really depressed about something. There was euphoria in the room when the news came in, when the good news came in. So elation, bliss, high spirits, exhilaration, jubilation, joy, exultation. Yeah, a state of euphoria, a euphoric state, a euphoric expression. Yeah, really, really, really happy. Okay, let's see. Formality, euphoria. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it informally, semi-formally, and even probably in a formal writing as well. So use it anywhere. So it's a good word. As to origin, okay, it comes from ancient Greek. Let's see, we've got in ancient Greek euphoria, meaning you bear things well. From EU, okay, that EU at the beginning means well, and phero, to bear, so you're bearing things well. Now let's see, in the past, maybe sort of the 18th century, euphoria was the state that when a doctor gives you a medicine, and you've been suffering from something and you don't feel very well, and the doctor gives you a medicine and it relieves the pain, it relieves the problem. That used to be the meaning of euphoria. So you take your medicine and then the patient is relieved by the medicine. That was euphoria. Yeah, feeling bodily well and hopeful. Okay, so you actually feel better. Okay, so yeah, I will be absolutely euphoric if this video goes viral. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Euphoria, euphoric, dysphoria.